की वेरिएशन ऑफ जी विद हाइट, और इसके लिए इक्वेशन फाइंड किया था हमने आर ई स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय आर ई प्लस आर ई डिवाइडेड बाय आर ई प्लस एच होल स्क्वायर इंटू जी. It is applicable for every value of h, whether it is comparable to RE or smaller than RE, much smaller, much larger. It is variable. So what is this RE? RE plus h. In this equation, RE plus h is the distance of body from center of earth. RE plus h. R is the radius of earth, h is the height of body from the earth surface. So what is this RE plus h? RE plus h is the net distance of body from center of earth. RE plus h is the net distance. So in this equation, what is the equation? G dash equals RE divided by RE plus h whole square. You can rewrite it as G dash equals what? RE. What is this? RE plus h. It is the net distance from the center of earth. RE square divided by R square into G. Now, in this equation, RE and G are constant. RE and G are constant. So what can you say about the variation of G dash with distance from the center? यहां से आप कांस्टेंट अगर आप हटा दें तो क्या निकल कर आएगा? क्या आएगा? If you remove the constant, what will be the variation? What will be the inequality? G dash inversely proportional R square. Larger the distance from the center of earth, smaller is the gravitational acceleration. So this is the variation for a body what? Outside the earth. जो अर्थ के स्ट्रक्चर से बाहर है उसके लिए ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू स्क्वायर ऑफ डिस्टेंस. For a point inside the earth, for a point inside the earth, कितना फाइंड किया था हमने? G डबल डैश, इसे लिख लेता हूं मैं. G डबल डैश कितना फाइंड किया था रिसेंटली? बताओ. RE माइनस एच अपॉन RE माइनस डी अपॉन RE into G. What is this RE minus D? What is this RE minus D? This is RE minus D. What is this? It is the distance of body from the center of earth. So what can you write? G double dash R by RE into G. Here again RE and small g constant. So what is the relation? G double dash directly proportional to R. कब तक? When you are inside the physical structure of earth. When you are inside the physical structure of earth, gravitational acceleration is directly proportional to distance from the center of earth. When you are outside the earth, gravitational acceleration is inversely proportional to the square of distance from the center of earth. क्या इसका मीनिंग हुआ? This is our center of earth. When you are exactly at the center of earth, when you are exactly at the center of earth, the gravitational acceleration is absolutely zero. As you move away from the center of earth, gravitational acceleration goes on increasing. Become maximum. When it becomes maximum? It becomes maximum when you are just at the surface of the earth. As you further move away from the surface of the earth, the gravitational acceleration decreases, but in inverse square relation. The increase of gravitational acceleration is linear. If you start from the center of the earth, gravitational acceleration goes on increasing. How? Directly proportional to your distance from the center of the earth. सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ पर ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन जीरो. जैसे जैसे सेंटर ऑफ अर्थ से आप दूर चले जाएंगे वैसे वैसे ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन बढ़ता रहेगा. और इसका बढ़ना कैसा है? लीनियर है. इसका बढ़ना क्या है? लीनियर वेरिएशन है. तो एक ग्राफ हम ड्रॉ करते हैं. ऑन वाई एक्सिस इट इज व्हाट? ग्रेविटेशनल acceleration.